We bumped into Theme Park Worldwide, guys.
Hey,
I've one question for you.
Go for it.
Mandrill Mayhem, does it beat the Swarm?
Take shelter now.
Hi guys, you're watching Ride Comparisons, and today is the day that the Swarm is no longer the UK's only B&M wing coaster. That's right, Mandrill Mayhem is opening at Chessington, and we're going to go find out if it's better than the Swarm. But first, here's the Swarm.
Take shelter now.
So here we are at the Swarm. As you can see, the area's got amazing theming. Swarm is the UK's only B&M wing coaster until next year when Project Amazon opens at Chessington. So we'll see if it can beat that. When the Swarm first came out, it didn't get very good reviews, so Thorpe Park decided to add backward seats on the back 2 rows, and backward Swarm was absolutely brilliant, but unfortunately they got rid of it. I really think they should bring that back because that was amazing. Maybe just turn the whole ride backwards. I reckon it would be a hell of a lot better. It's a really smooth coaster, probably the smoothest coaster out there. It is good fun. It's a little bit too quick, and it's currently got an 85-minute queue because we are visiting during school trip season. But no, it is a very good ride. Get yourselves down to Thorpe Park and give it a go. Hi guys, welcome back to Mandrill Mayhem versus the Swarm. It's opening day for Mandrill Mayhem. We've got a QR code that activates in 13 minutes. It's very busy. Wish us luck, and let's go find out if Mandrill Mayhem can beat the Swarm.
Alright, good.
Right, darling.
Where's Bob?
Here we go. You excited?
Yes.
I've been saying ever since I was a little boy that Chessington needs a ride that goes upside down. This is the first inversion at Chessington. It might not be a well-beaten coaster, but it's definitely a good ride for Chessington World of Adventures. Brilliant. As we can see guys, Chessington theming, absolutely brilliant, but how does it ride? So there's Mandrill Mayhem, guys, Chessington's first inversion. That was awesome. What did you reckon?
Good addition to the park it is.
Very good addition to the park. It reminds me a little bit of Furious Bacco at Portaventura, but obviously that is way smoother because it is B&M rather than Intermin. But does it beat the Swarm? That is the question. What do you reckon?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet, you haven't made your mind up. Unfortunately, guys, for me, that does not beat the Swarm. The Swarm is just way more intense and way more fun in my opinion. The theming is definitely on par. The Swarm Invasion versus the Monkeys, the theming is, it's exactly the same, but I think Swarm does offer a slightly more intense and scary ride experience. But for Chessington, an absolutely amazing addition. I have one question for you.
Go for it.
Mandrill Mayhem, does it beat the Swarm?
Oh, definitely not. No, I don't think that was the intention. Like,
this is it, this is
the Swarm is a major thrill ride, 1.4 metre height restriction.
This was
never, never designed to beat the Swarm. It's a family thrill, 1.2, a child's first inversion, and it does that job perfectly.
But an absolutely brilliant addition to Chessington.
It is, 100%. It's a nice ride for this park.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Have a great day. Nice to see you.
Thank you. So there you have it, guys, from UK's #1 theme park vlogger. Mandrill Mayhem does not beat the Swarm. If you did like today's video, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time.